1, 2, 3, 4, 2005, 2006, 2007.
This time I'm placing you under arrest for your street racing, all right?
Wait, no, guys, come on.
On the 14th of July, 2023, a call came in about a man slumped over behind the wheel of a car near some train tracks. An Elwood Place police officer responded to the scene, only to discover the man was actually a fellow officer. Because of the situation, an officer from the St. Bernard Police Department was called in to handle the investigation. After discreetly signaling who the driver was, the officer noted that he appeared intoxicated.
What is going on? Drunk?
The driver was identified as Officer Anthony Armbruster. The St. Bernard officer confirmed he wasn't armed and began asking him a few questions.
Oh,
Hey, Anthony, you got your gun on you?
I don't. No.
Is it anywhere in the car?
It's in my bag in the piece.
Okay.
Seriously, I'm sorry.
Oh, you're good. I was wondering if everything was okay.
No, I pulled it around.
You want to hop out real quick? Have you had any drinks?
Yeah.
How much? How much?
Come.
Were you coming into work? Were you coming into work?
No. Coming to sleep. I don't work for a while, so.
Okay. Where are you coming from? Coming from home?
Sorry, man.
Good. We'll wait till it passes. We'll wait till the train passes.
I am not coming to work. I have court here in like 5 hours.
Okay.
Before offering him the chance to perform field sobriety tests.
All right, Anthony, you know the drill. Okay. Came up, effective note over an alcoholic beverage. Okay, you admitted to drinking. So we got to do what we got to do. It's an unfortunate circumstance, but I don't enjoy it any more than you do. So at this time, I'm going to offer you to perform field sobriety test. Would you like to perform them, or are you going to refuse? Got my clipboard. We're going to go behind your car, okay?
Armbruster stumbled during the walk and turn test.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
And struggled to keep his balance on the one-legged stand.
2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020,
All right, you're good.
2021.
His eyes also appeared bloodshot and watery.
All right. So right now, we have probable cause to believe that you're operating a vehicle under the influence of alcohol, okay? You are under arrest. You have the right to remain silent. Any use that can will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney if you cannot afford one, won't be appointed by the courts. You have the right to answer my questions at any time without an attorney present. You also have the right to stop answering my questions at any time without an attorney present. You understand your rights? Okay. Go ahead and hop out. Got to put you in handcuffs, take you back to our police department, and then I'll give you an opportunity to provide a breath sample, okay? He said, I don't enjoy this any more than you do, but it's an unfortunate situation. points. Spill your lights for me real quick.
Classic signs of impairment. As the paperwork was being filled out, Armbruster nervously asked if he would be spending the night in jail.
No, we'll just cite and release you. I don't usually take people to jail for OVI.
He was ultimately charged with operating a vehicle while under the influence of alcohol or drugs. In St. Cloud, Florida, on the evening of the 30th of August, 2023, a sheriff's deputy from another county found himself on the wrong side of the law. Just before sundown, officers stopped a man riding a motorcycle with a passenger.
Don't! I got one fleeing. Shut it off.
You good?
Put it in neutral. Who's that?
I don't know him.
Pull the key out.
I got you. I'm deputy.
Okay. Push it over here.
After noticing he was speeding and possibly trying to race another bike on a busy road.
I'm doing 50. They fly past me like I'm standing still. Splitting lanes.
The motorcyclist was identified as Brian Espanol, a deputy with the Orange County Sheriff's Office, where he had served for 3 years.
How many years you got on? Three? How fast were you going?
I'm not sure, boss.
You understand the situation that they're just doing, right?
100%.
Who's the other guy?
I don't know, honestly. I saw him going, and then we parked up over here, and then that's when I was like, oh, you got a nice bike, you got a CX-10 on, I got a S1K, that's all that it was. I'm just coming off from my friend's house, and then from St. Cloud, and parked up here, and when I saw him, I was like, oh, that's a nice bike, and that's it.
What happened after that?
He took off. I don't know who he is.
When questioned, Espanol admitted it was date night and claimed he was only trying to impress his girlfriend.
What does that look like?
That looks bad. 100%. It looks bad on my part, and I understand. You know, we're going on a date night, and I just got the bike not too long ago, and I wanted to impress her, and it's really bad. I don't speed at all, and it's sad me saying that, you know. I wanted to impress her, and I wanted to show her off the new bike. It's like the first time she's on it. I just got it out the dealership. You guys can see it's a brand new 2023. I wanted to test it out. I just finished installing everything I had, like the exhaust and everything.
You heard me say it.
You know.
The outside in, it looks like you're racing it.
Oh, I could see how that looks. You know, I could see how that looks, and it wasn't like that.
You both are doing what? 80, 90? Down 40 mile an hour per zone? I mean, think about it, you got a few years on. How many cars are on this road right now? Are there pedestrians? Are the roads somewhat wet? Are your driving conditions reckless given the fact that you're doing 40 to 50 miles an hour speeding?
Officers called for a supervisor to review the situation before proceeding with charges.
So you have speed, a bunch of illegal lane changes. Remember the articulation in the last street racing thing that you had?
Yeah.
You know, we're doing thorough documentation on driving pattern, road conditions, you know, the amount of vehicles that are on the road, all the different lane changes, any other traffic violations that you have. You know, that in addition to the well over the criminal, you know, the mandatory criminal appearance on speed, that's going to lead you to have reckless, plus the other one, they're obviously in a speed competition if they're doing over twice the legal, you know, twice the speed limit on the road. So it is what it is. He's a deputy. We apply the law evenly. So you're the one that witnessed everything. So
Okay.
if we have it, we have it.
Okay.
When Espanol was finally placed in handcuffs, he didn't appear surprised until he learned the charge was street racing, at which point he insisted on setting the record straight.
This time I'm placing you under arrest for your street racing, all right?
I wasn't racing. Wait, no, guys, come on.
Baby, what?
Wait, I wasn't
Oh
racing.
my God.
I was not racing.
Okay.
I wasn't there. This officer.
No,
was
dude.
there.
Oh my God.
Can I grab my phone that is on his
No
pocket?
way.
We'll get it for you.
Okay, what I do?
Oh my God.
Do you have anything that's gonna stick me, poke me, or hurt me?
There's no way.
Babe.
20 years?
Not this is full.
That's it?
Yeah. Baby, but
Wow, I wasn't even racing, babe.
there's no
God. I need to.
there's no way.
Can I speak to the cop?
Who do I call?
Can you call down
His number is there.
so he can.
787.
All right, boss.
This
Come on,
is
listen.
Can you give me 1 second, boss?
Yeah, man.
Espanol was officially charged with participating in an unlawful race and reckless driving.